I hate lying just as much as I hate getting lied to. But guess what? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and I'm not gonna get lied to. So here's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna pretend like I just woke up just for the sake of the video. Just for aesthetic reasons. Alright? So don't be a cockblocker. Just enjoy the damn video. And guess what? I just woke up and there's one thing I need. Damn right, coffee.
But I can't, so I live for you. And I pray that you'll stay alive and wave the flags for you. Whether con or probation, I just know the feds waiting. I'll pop a toe tag about a bag for you. Hope they don't forget you. Hope the bullets miss you. Hope when your friends, they on money mit you. You get money, then they quick to ace you. And pray for sevens and the judge graces. I'm playing spades with all aces. Look at my hands and see all faces. It ain't no squares in my shell cases. I'm trying to die alive. And if he says heart kind, know that man alive. Still feel all his ill feelings in his diatribes. You see the world in my daughter's eyes. If you had seen what she had seen, you'll be traumatized. Count bucks, still a slave to the money. Pop said your stomach rumbling, hunger pains keep the corner alive. Pop, pop, couple bangs made the corner die. I'm a chef, homie, the important kind. Got him hooked on me, made hooks out them pots and pans. Folks told me it ain't nothing for a flock to land. What's a rock but the heart of a man? When a man in the hood with the lions, like snow in July. Feel my spirits looking at me from Zion.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. So today, welcome to my third official vlog. Before everything goes down, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button just to like mess with the algorithm for a little bit. Time check's already 3:12 in the morning. I'm just gonna chat with you guys a little bit. If you're here just to like watch me lift, just feel free to skip in this part of the video. So I'm supposed to hit the gym around like 4 o'clock with my boy Talos. Right now, while waiting, I'm just editing a podcast because it's Thursday and I'm probably gonna release this video by Friday. This is the main point of this video. I want to talk to you guys about something. This is something that we all are looking forward for, and I'm pretty sure you guys are thinking what I'm thinking. It's the winter training arc. Winter training arc is just time frame where a lot of gym rats are just gonna be in their Batman era. It's bulking season, powerlifting season. It's just about that grind, man. You just gotta get that grind up. There's no time to like slack, dude. What are you waiting for? You have so much plans in your mind, but you're actually not doing anything about it. Like, it's just not making any sense. As a person, you get to decide. You can either be weak or you can be strong. It takes nothing to be fucking weak and not do what you're supposed to do. Like, that's literally it. If you want to be that guy, if you want to be him, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. It's definitely not comfortable. It's definitely not easy. Nothing great in life comes in overnight. It's something that you should actually work for. You know what I mean? I just had my morning coffee. It's fucking great. And other than that, I'm just gonna make my breakfast. And here's another montage. Roll the clip.
3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want. And you can call me names if you call me up. 3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want. And you can call me names if you call me up. Feel like the least of all your problems. You can't reach me if you wanna stay up tonight. Stay up at night. I'm green lights in your body language. Seems like you could use a little company from me. But if you got everything and figured out like you say, don't waste a minute, don't wait, admit it. It's only a matter of time for you to tell me now. 'Cause I've been up for 3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want. And you can call me names if you call me up. 3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want. And you can call me names if you call me up. I can't fix each and all your problems. I'm no good with names or faces. She sent me naked pictures from her neck down to the waist. I get my feelings involved. She stopped returning my calls. Flaws turning to walls and barricades. And I'm too far gone in all the wrong ways. And now every long day is a bad one. I can't make you call or make you stay or take you off a pedestal. So I get lost in modern music watching.
I got 30 minutes left before I head to the gym. And I guess I'll just see you guys in the gym. Transition in 3, 2, 1. I'll see you with Talos. Yo, I just got to the gym. Literally, nobody's here, bro. This is nuts. Not even 4 o'clock yet, dude. This is like literally the best. Every gym rat's dream. This section is usually full. There we go. This is sick. Also, wait, hold on. Hear that? Give me a second.
They say that I'm a clone, I'm not a human being. Cause I can go numb and mute out my human feelings. Got a murder on my belt, it's holding up my denim. I'm keeping the feds out my biz, you trying to put them in them. You say you wanna square out.
Alright guys, say what's up to my boy. Dude, I have so much respect for this guy for pulling up at the gym 4 o'clock in the morning just to help me film, bro.
20% off. Use code Paul. That's P4UL.
Just gotta do what you gotta do. This man wants all the energy drink right now.
Bro, you wake me up at 3:45 in the morning. I deserve some Freedom Ice and some fucking Super Brain. Paul, where's my Super Brain at, bro?
Hey, yo!
Yo, Chicago girl. Ha ha ha. Love you guys second. Ha ha ha.
chest genetics and your shoulder genetics together, bro.
You said what, T?
Imagine we put my chest genetics with your shoulder genetics, my quad genetics and your glute genetics. And then a mix of our back genetics.
Who do you think you're gonna look like, bro?
Dude, we'd be like C-Bone, bro.